Hey everybody, Crypto Mentor 99. It is still January 23rd, first video of the day, early afternoon. Oh, how you doing? How you doing? How you doing? Rest assured, no monkeys were used or harmed in the making of this video. I saw this article yesterday. I'm like, I got to do a video. Then I forgot. And we're going to watch the grandkids this afternoon. So I want to do some videos. So in Pennsylvania, which if you're not familiar with the United States, Pennsylvania is in the northeast region of the United States. And evidently, the story goes that a truck towing a trailer of 100 monkeys crashed on the highway, spilling monkey cages and monkey parts evidently all over the highway. Again, no monkeys were harmed in the making of this video. It was reported that several monkeys had escaped, but were soon accounted for as of Saturday morning. Could you imagine drinking coffee, looking out your back window and seeing 2, 3, 4 monkeys like chewing on your leaves in your tree in the backyard? And anyhow, I don't know why this whole story has hit a funny bone. So as of Saturday evening, all of the monkeys have been accounted for. Sad to say, 3 had to be put to sleep or euthanized because they were injured. The reporter did not elaborate on the 3 monkeys that were euthanized or how it came about, but all but 3 of the monkeys that were basically lab monkeys. So we need lab monkeys, but not on the highway and Route 54 in Danville, Pennsylvania. Anyhow, for all you monkey lovers out there, I appreciate you. Who doesn't love a monkey? Anyhow, Crypto Mentor 99, I'm gonna go do something important. Love y'all. Bye-bye.